Welcome everyone to HFN, also known as HueFin News. Today is August the 23rd, 2020, and this video is going to be an update on Nikola, ticker symbol is NKLA, and we're going to give you all our updated price forecast into the market for this product. And we're going to look at the market trapper's perspective as to whether or not he's feeling the market as weak, or is he feeling that Nikola is a buy and he's going to increase the value of this particular product. Now, if this is your first time watching the video, look at our chart. It's not confusing, and you're still able to get an idea where the market is going to go before it gets there. And we're here to show you that precisely in this video. Now, hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. It's that easy. It doesn't take that much. Hit the bell notification so you become notified of whenever we upload our videos to this particular medium. Now let's talk about Nikola stock. And is the stock a buy or is it a sell? Let us first talk about what occurred in the market for Nikola since our last video that was done. And you can already tell that after we did our video in Nikola, the market increased in price substantially. Now, in the comment section of that video, we got a lot of heat in the market about Nikola going higher when we expected it to go lower, right? I mean, immediately the next day, July the 8th, Nikola went up about 37% the next day, and then it topped out ultimately at around 47, 48. So many people may think that our forecast was incorrect, but as you can tell on the continuation of trading into the market in Nikola, what occurred? Exactly, the weakness was still there, but the trap took a detour and increased the value of Nikola just a tad longer. So we were literally too far ahead of the game. We beat him to the punch way before he was ready to get there. So he finally met us right there on July the 24th. Okay. So, depending on your time horizon, you may have thought that our forecast was incorrect, but now you can see that it wasn't. That in fact our forecast was accurate. We were just there too soon. That's all. So hopefully you were able to see the ultimate TP area of 21.11% come to fruition right here on the 24th of July. Now that is done and that is over with. Now let's see what the market is trying to show us the simple way. Okay, so now first thing I wanted to show you is Nikola still in an uptrend? Okay, so we're going to draw one line on this chart to dispel and see whether or not if Nikola is in a uptrend real quick. Okay, so you can see here that the market in Nikola, for the most part, is still in an uptrend. But is it? Let's see another line. Or is it in a downtrend? Which line do you think we need to follow? Is the question. Does the market look stronger? Does it look weak? It's that simple, and it's not complicated. Which one do you think it is? Or how do you think the market feels? Is it weak? Is it strong? Now, which line has the trap literally followed for the most part. If you said the downtrending line, you are correct. I mean, this ascending line, the trap only touched it, what, 2 days? And that was it. Market bounce. But the market is actually following this descending line on multiple days. We need to pay attention to the descending line then, because he's telling you that I'm not feeling the strength right now in the market for Nikola. So we don't need to keep this. Let's get rid of it. We're going to follow the trap and its downtrending motion that it is going through right now. It's that simple, literally. Now, when you look at Nikola on a weekly time frame, now this as well continues to show you that there's not a lot of strength coming to the market in Nikola right now. 2 reasons. The first one is that last week the market in Nikola closed on a low. Next, $48 is restriction. Okay. Now, I'm not seeing an enormous amount of weakness. Let's get that straight. But literally, we have a little bit more weakness here than we're seeing more strength. So we need to play that out into the market in Nikola. And that's what we're going to do, right? So we're going to play this on the daily time frame once again, just like we did on the 20th of August for the market in Nikola. And it's not that weak. Just going to put it around $44 for restriction. I can see it coming all the way up here to 48 because we do have some points and touches from various trading days around $48. So we're going to hold that area of restriction there in the market. Now, definitely I can see $36 being support. So we'll have to take off a little bit there at $36, which would be about 8.33%. But we're going to take it down just a tad. Okay. So we're going to follow the market in Nikola to the downside. I'm not expecting a lot of weakness. I'll be the first one to tell you, but that's the direction in which the market is trying to go. Okay. So this is the area forecast into the market of expectations of where the market trap is going to try to bring the value of Nikola. And then from there, we'll have to reevaluate whether or not we're going to get that strength into the market at $36. Now, that's ours. We need to know your forecast, your prediction in Nikola. Is this stock a buy? Is it a sell? What do you think? Give us your prediction, your forecast for the market in Nikola over the next couple of weeks, and let us know, do you think the market's going to be higher or lower from where we are today? Questions, comments, let us know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. I'll talk to you on the next video.